Blackbird, adaptation of Caged Bird by Maya Angelou and Blackbird by Paul McCartney and John Lennon. Blackbird singing in the dead of night, a bird that stalks on his narrow cage can seldom see through his bars of rage. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. Blackbird singing in the dead of night, take these broken wings and learn to fly. The caged bird sings with a fearful trill, outsings the known, but longs for still. And the tune is heard on the distant hill, where the caged bird sings of freedom. Blackbird singing in the dead of night, take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life, you were only waiting for this moment to be free. The free bird thinks of another breeze, and the trade wind stalks through the sighing trees, and the fat worm's waiting on the dawn-bright lawn, and he names the sky his own. Blackbird fly, into the light of the dark black